And these, oh, they're so nice. Already, they've transformed my engine bay already. Hey everyone, Motor Rally here, and today we've got the best carbon skins which you can find on the market right now. They're made by a company who are an absolute madness, and they're called Absolute Carbon. So these carbon skins are actually handcrafted, and I've got the coil pack cover for the D16 V1, and this is what we're going to be installing today. And stay tuned at the end, because if you've got a D16 V1, you might be in luck. So let's open the bonnet, get to installing, let's go. Yeah, boy. So here's a D16 V1. It's got 4 coils, and in the coil pack which you get from Absolute Carbon, you get 4 handcrafted carbon fibre coils, and these look amazing. These skins are the best. I've got one of the original batches, and I can tell you from now, the amount Absolute Carbon has improved is beyond. They have improved so much from the very first original batch. And they've even gone to do DC5s, Honda Jazzes. Like the Honda Jazzes are mad. And then they've also gone to do some IS200s as well. First things first, to clean off the surface. So let's just clean off the surface. I'm literally using some dish soap on a tissue with some water on it, because that's the extent of my YouTube budget allows me to go. And I think the next thing we need to do is to heat up the back side of the glue on the carbon skins. Yo, these look sick. Like they've already transformed the engine bay. Like it's nice, it's really nice. Like, it's a bit glossy as well, which is really shiny and really just, it's absolute madnessness. So we've got the 1, 2, 3 and 4 spark plug covers on. And these again are the original batch. And you see the type of products and the cuts that they're doing now. Like, it is mental. It's a mad thing. It's absolute madness of what Absolute Carbon are doing. And these, oh, they're so nice. Already they've transformed my engine bay already. Absolute Carbon also makes covers for up here, for this, for the battery, which I need to replace this thing. And they're making a lot more covers as well. Again, these are the original. These are like 100 years old by now. When this video comes out, these are 100 years old, and just look at them. Honestly, just look at them. They've transformed the car already. So nice. Like, geez, look at them. They are honestly a mad thing. And from further away, oh. And what's also another mad thing is, look at this. Absolute Carbon has sent us another pack to give away for you guys. All you need to do is go down to Motor Rally YT on Instagram and wait till the weekend until this starts. Right, so guys, thank you guys for watching this install of the best carbon in town. Again, we've got the original batches, and they actually went on to make a madness of things. So they've made fuel caps for a Honda Jazz with like the little indent. It's honestly so sick. Go check out Absolute Carbon. Big, huge thanks. And again, a big huge thanks for sending me another one to give away for you guys. Again, all you need to do over the weekend, I'll be hosting a giveaway on Instagram. And so yeah, just go down to my Instagram, and whilst you're at it, follow their Instagram as well, at absolute_carbon. You might have a chance to win a coil pack cover, one of the original batches yet again. Absolute Carbon are going absolute places. Absolute alliteration. Right, so boom. Thank you guys for watching. It's been Motor Rally, and I'll see you guys in another video.